Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, you read the title right. I do expect a jump in Bitcoin and all other altcoins as well. Let me explain why. So, as you can see, we are having a Miami conference. I mean, not we, but them, but more than 50,000 people are going. And these type of conferences are very important because after this many FUD we were being, let's say, eating, because they just shoved it down our throat. We need these type of conferences, and on these conferences not only Bitcoiners or coiners are joining. As you can see, there will be a senator, Michael Saylor is going, obviously, Tony Hawk, of course, but it is advertised by Mayor Suarez, the mayor of Miami, and as we know, Benny and him, they are cooking something there in Miami. Now, I don't think that this will affect only Aaron. I think this will be good for everything, because on these conferences, I expect them to try to tackle some of the big FUDs like regulation, fraudulent activities, and this could give hope to the people that, yeah, Bitcoin is not dead and it's not gonna be washed off the table by the Fed. To these conferences, people prepare for solution. They present roadmaps, they present solutions for some of the problems, what they want to solve, how they want to solve it, and what time frame they want to solve it. And this could give some confidence to the people to start and buy back some of the Bitcoins, which they already started. And let me show you on the on-chain data. This is Glassnode, and so the number of addresses with zero balance, it's fluctuating back and forth. People are selling and buying. These are the short-term buyers. They bought where it went down, and now they are just impatient. They can't wait until it turns out what is happened to be. They are getting a lot of news that it's going to go down to 25k or 20k. Now, the balance is more than 0.01. Bitcoin is the same. What change is starting is the balances with more than 0.1 Bitcoin, and that is already at this time around $3,700. And as you can see, since here, I mean, the top was when Bitcoin had a dip from the 64 to the 49, or yeah, 49, and then it went down, and now they started to accumulate again. The more than one Bitcoin addresses obviously sold when it went up to 60,000, 50,000, and again when it went back up to 60,000, and it gradually they just took profit and sold their Bitcoin. Now it seems the trend is reversing and they are starting to buy it back. We will see how it is going to happen. Let's move forward. The more than 10 Bitcoins, this is where we already going into the whales, or at least dolphins category. Now, as you can see here as well, they are more experienced, more how should I say, professional traders, and Bitcoin was up, they just sold it, they took profits, and the number of wallets just decreased. And now it seems that it stopped, and it looks like they are starting to buy back. Same with the more than 100. Now this is already a bigger sum of money, because 100 Bitcoin is more than 4 million or $3.7 million. And as you can see here as well, when they recognize that it will probably go down, or it could go down, they took some profits, they bought back, and then the big crash dumped everything, and they also, maybe they were liquidated, I don't know. I don't really think that somebody who has more than 100 Bitcoins they are panic selling. I think this was liquidation for as a long squeeze. But now since 29th of May, it seems that the wallets are growing again. We will monitor this almost every day to see how this is going up. Now, not the best news is the more than 10k, and this is obviously quite a big drop. I mean, quite a big, from 89 wallets down to 84 wallets. This is 5 wallets with more than 10k. Bitcoins, we don't know who are those, obviously, but yeah, some people sold it. Please remember there are a lot of how should I say, historic wallets which have not been activated for more than 10 years, which are now activated. This doesn't mean that we are entering the bear market. It could mean that they just needed the money right now because they bought it with $1,000 and it worth now, I don't know, 1 million, for example. Therefore, I'm not really scared about this data. The other ones really show that people looks like they started to buy, and this is the most valid to the more than 0.1 Bitcoin. Just to make a comparison, this is 3,200,000 and this is 3,223,000, so this is more than 10,000 wallets which have been created or opened as Bitcoin buyers. Now let's check some FUD, anti-FUD. So Indian central bank clarifies regulations, local banks shun crypto. You know that there are a lot of FUD coming that India bans crypto again, and now the central bank made a clear statement that no, they did not ban. It's all about the money laundering and the client's protection, not about banning crypto. It's valid for everything, not only for crypto. Also, of course, since it's finance, crypto is also included in this money laundering stuff. But no, they did not ban. So yeah, that says something. Let's check the chart. So right now we are in this symmetrical triangle. Again, trading analysis. If the whales are not moving, it's valid, because trading analysis it's more on the people's psychology, people's reaction, and yes, many people are watching the support line, the resistance lines, and let's not forget, right now we have a lot of YouTube channels, a lot of new YouTube channels and a lot of new followers. I can see BitBoy has more than 1 million followers. They had like 300,000 in January. Crypto had above 100,000 and now he has 400,000. So a lot of people are following these big channels who are giving direct indications or direct tips how to move on these type of chart indicators. And when the market is flooded with all these trading analysis and these synchronized moves, it will just react differently. This is the market, because the market will not go in minus. Let's say, okay, some people need to lose money for others to win. That is what Warren Buffett said, that trading is transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So yeah, keep that in mind. So we are in this symmetrical triangle. Whether we are gonna break up or down, we don't know yet, but this conference could help us to give just a bit of a boost, because we don't need much to reach this 42,000 level. And this level, it's not some superpower which holds the price up. This is kind of a psychological point where people will believe that we are still in the bull market, the price still has chances to go up, and therefore at this point I'm sure that many will FOMO in, many will buy back, and yes, that will be the trigger which will give us the boost to go up. This is what I am looking at, this is what I'm waiting for. Let's see how the conference works out, what news are coming, what promises, and yeah, let's see how the price will react. Thank you again for watching and see you tomorrow.